Just after 5 a.m. this morning, the sheriff's office got a call in reference to a single vehicle accident. Upon arrival, they found a Freightliner tractor trailer in the ditch. Mr. Wayne Williams out of Miami Gardens, Florida, was driving the vehicle, evidently left the roadway at the off-ramp from 75 southbound to Sardis Church Road, went into the ditch, and the trailer overturned. Right now, I'm not sure the extent of his injuries. He was taken to the Navicent for treatment. He was carrying chicken meat headed to Florida.